If your little one's blowout is always dry and you don't know how to moisturize it without it reverting, this is exactly what you need to watch because I'm going to show you how I keep my daughter's blowout soft and moisturized for the whole school week. Just 2 products, no water, and her blowout stays intact. Let me show you how. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you exactly how I moisturize my daughter's blowout and how I style it after. Because I know how frustrating it is when you spend all that time blow drying your little one's hair and then by the next day it is dry and you don't know what to do with it. Right mama, so the first product I'm using is the Oil Hairdo Leave-In. I love this one because it conditions and softens her hair beautifully without reverting the blowout. That's the key. It adds the softness and moisture back into the hair, and a little goes a long way. You really don't need that much. I work it through each section, then I follow up with a little grease. Again, a little goes a long way here. You don't want to use too much because it will weigh the hair down, and we want to keep it light and bouncy. The grease just seals everything in and keeps that moisture locked in for the whole week. Now after moisturizing, I go straight into styling. I don't comb her hair at any point. I just work with what's there. I braid her hair up, working in those same sections. And then I add a little extra to the end. 2 products, no water. Her blowout is soft and moisturized. For those wondering, I moisturized her hair once a week and I also kept her hair blow dried for 3 weeks before washing her hair. If your daughter's hair is dry, breaking, or just not growing no matter what you do, I have a free masterclass where I break down exactly what's going on and the 5-step framework that actually changes that. The link is in the description box. Grab your seat, mama. Her plaits look lovely, right? I thought I was done, but she asked me to add some beads to the ends of her plait, and that's exactly what I did for her. If you're watching this and thinking, I want to be able to do this with my daughter's hair, then come to my free masterclass. It's called The Real Reason Your Little One's Hair Isn't Growing. And in it, I break down exactly what's holding your little one's hair back and the 5-step framework that actually changes that. Dryness, breakage, hair that's been the same length for too long, we cover all of that. The link is in the description box below this video. I'd love to see you there.